beauties! So today I'm representing my sister and brother-in-law's Denim Coffee. I'll link them below. They have awesome coffee and they have an awesome coffee shop in Carlisle, PA, if you're ever in that region. So I also really like their shirt. So I'm gonna kind of go with this theme and do some complementary colors. And Michael's here. Yay! Maybe he's more camera shy than I thought. And I did actually clean my makeup brushes, if you were wondering about that too, which I'm sure you were just dying to know. Okay, so I'm gonna start off in the mineral pigment called Provoked, which is like a rusty brown, and it's a matte color. I'm gonna just start off with this in the outer portion. And this is above my crease, but if you have regular shaped eyes, you could certainly put this in the crease and then on the outer edge. And this is an e.l.f. brush. It's kind of like a bigger pencil brush. Okay. And I'm just gonna keep and you'll notice I don't really do like winged shapes too often with my eyes. I just don't think they look that good. But if you prefer that type of shape, then you can certainly do this in that type of shape. I think I want to go in with Giddy, which is a matte, like orange, like a tangerine color. It's really pretty. And put this on my lid. This is a little bit lighter. This is a little bold, but I really do like it. Manipulative. This is one of the new pressed. So it's a bit darker, so I'm going to put it on the outer portion of my lid. Oh, I do like that. And I'm going to put this on the lower lash line. Bringing it all the way across, but I'm not putting it in the very inner corner. But I am doing it all the way across. Okay, I want to try some Playful, which is a light shimmery blue, which on the inner part. That is pretty. And then I'm going to use Gorgeous, which is a light yellow gold. And I want to use that for the inner corner highlight. Ooh. And also basically put it into my eyeball, because why not? Oh, this is pretty. Sorry, I'm always like, I'm not going to use 30 colors. And I use like 29. And I make a mess. Okay, focus. My students can tell you that I also talk to myself when I'm not on camera. It's just kind of my thing. Okay, okay, so I guess I'm gonna stick with, that's weird. I don't know why I smelled that. Not that one either. Okay, so this is Polar, which is the pencil eyeliner in blue. And I am lining my upper lash line. It's just a nice thick line, well, not too thick, along the upper lashes. A little weird, but it works. Kind of like me. A little weird and I work. Ish. I have to tell you, it is really hard. Like a lot of the times when I'm getting ready to go out, I listen to music while I'm getting ready because it just feels like that's what you should be doing. Like it's fun and whatever. So it is really hard to do this on camera because I can't listen to music because I have to bleep it all out because it's all freaking copyrighted. So it's actually a real pain in the butt. So that's why sometimes I do a lot of talkovers because I just really want to listen to music. Sorry, I'm going to use the crease brush and intensify this gorgeous color a little bit more. Like I really want to listen to music while I'm getting ready, and I can't if I'm taping. So just so you know, sometimes that's why I do talkovers, because I really want to listen to music. And maybe I'm not feeling particularly witty occasionally. And where's my mascara? This is really more colorful than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so I have to buy mascara. Lash curl and mascara. I started watching Vampire Diaries because I watched the originals. So Rachel and Matt, that's totally your fault. So I watched the originals and I liked it. So I started watching Vampire Diaries. And it is definitely like the Dawson's Creek of the younger people during that age era. So I think Jen, I think that was you. Jen Kaiser. That was saying that, because we had Dawson's Creek, and interestingly, there wasn't any supernatural in that. But obviously there is in, oh my god, dude, why do I always do this? This is why sometimes I won't talk when I'm doing makeup, because I cannot handle it. Sorry. Sometimes I don't want the close-up because it's really close up to my face. I think I'm going to do something different with my hair, but probably not much, because I'm keeping the color until summer because I've colored it like 30 times. If you watch this channel, you know that. So I have to keep cutting it because it's starting to, if you can see in here, it's a little bit lighter. I think some of the colors just nope, not gonna stick anymore. I've just done concealer and foundation. So I'm gonna use the Seductive Blush because it's like I don't know, kind of like a neutral, not bronze, but sort of bronzy peach as blush. And then sometimes I will also put a bit of this along my 4/5 head. I should probably stop saying that at some point, but it's really accurate, so I just feel like it just seems like the right way to phrase it. I think I want to do some of this, some of Polar in my lower waterline, which is something I don't typically do. I don't typically do anything in my waterline because I feel like sometimes it can close your eyes off, but I feel like with this color and this look, it's kind of unique. And I feel like it might look neat, so let's check it. Oh, that is cool. So I'm gonna do pouty, which is just a peachy pink, a slightly darker than your usual lip color. I'm gonna outline and fill in. And then you can either leave it like that, or I want to put some well-to-do on top. It's a little bit of a nude shimmer. And I'm going to concentrate this on the inner portion. And then blend. So Denim Coffee, check them out. Woo woo! Thank you guys so much for watching.